たった数分で大切なものすべてを失ってしまうとしたら、どんな言葉でその気持ちを表現できますか？今日のレッスンでは、悲しみ、絶望、希望を伝える英語のフレーズ10個紹介します。最後には実際の映像を見てどれだけわかるかテストしてみてね。
Today we will learn 10 real English phrases about sadness, loss, and strength. Let's get started.
たった数分で大切なものすべてを失ってしまったら、どんな気持ちになると思いますか？
It's heartbreaking. It means you feel very deep sadness. An example, it's heartbreaking when your pet runs away.
全部壊れてしまったら、英語でどう表現しますか？
Everything was destroyed. It means everything is gone. Nothing is left. Example, the typhoon destroyed everything in the village.
燃えてしまった、灰になった、英語で。
Burn to ashes. Ashes are what's left after a fire. Example, his old family house burned to ashes in the fire.
何も残らないほどの損失は、英語で何と言うのでしょう？
A total loss. It means something is completely lost. No way to save it. Example, after the flood, their car was a total loss.
とてもひどい状況、人生が変わってしまうような時、英語では、
Devastating situation. It means a situation so bad it changes everything. Example, losing your job and home at the same time is a devastating situation.
一瞬で全部なくなる時、英語で何と言いますか？
Gone in an instant. Something disappears very quickly, almost like magic. Example, my phone slipped out of my pocket and was gone in an instant.
助かっただけでもありがたい。そんな気持ちは英語でどう表しますか？
Grateful to be safe. Even if you lose everything, being alive is something to be thankful for. Example, after the earthquake, we were grateful to be safe.
ものすごい大惨事、大きな災害、英語では何と言いますか？
Catastrophe. It means a terrible disaster or huge tragedy. Example, the factory explosion was a huge catastrophe for the town.
心が痛くなるようなシーンを英語で言いたいときは、
Heart-wrenching scenes, scenes that hurt your heart deeply. Example, seeing abandoned pets after a disaster is heart-wrenching.
数えきれないほどたくさんの家が壊れたとき、英語では、
Countless homes destroyed. It means too many homes were destroyed to count. Example, the wildfire left countless homes destroyed across the mountain.
英語で史上最悪の災害だった、どう言えばいいのでしょうか？
Worst natural disaster. We use this phrase when something is one of the most serious disasters to ever happen. Example, this was the worst natural disaster of the decade.
とても悲しくて、泣いてしまうような場面と言いたいときは、
In tears. This phrase means someone is crying, usually from sadness or strong emotion. Example, she was in tears after watching the final scene of the movie. Now let's put what we learned into action. Now let's watch real scenes. Can you understand the feelings and moments through the English phrases we just learned? Let's try it.
Man, the Los Angeles fire consumed everything in its path. Today, we're going to take a look at all the celebrities that we have found out so far that have officially lost their homes, that's completely burnt to ashes. Now, take a look at this reporter who kind of goes into the house and he covers like what it currently looks like, and it just looks very devastating, to be honest.
Disasters in Los Angeles history. Everywhere you look, complete neighborhoods are gone. More than 17,000 acres burned as of today and 0% containment. Now, I'm in the Palisades, and this area is known for its celebrity residents and breathtaking views. But now when you mention the Palisades,
it's
all you can
completely
think of
gone.
is heartbreak.
Dude, this is like the celebrity residence, and everything's actually
It's on
gone.
fire right now.
Jamie Lee Curtis.
Literally, the entire city of the Pacific Palisades is burning.
One
Shit,
day you
dude.
swim in the pool, and the next day it's all gone.
Actor James Woods in tears talking about how his
Damn.
wife's 8-year-old niece offered to help restore the Palisades home he watched burn.
Standing in my
Shit,
driveway
dude.
getting ready to evacuate.
She came out with her little Yeti piggy bank. for us to rebuild our house.
It's literally
It's
crying.
just a catastrophe. Everything. The market
That
I
is
shop
sad.
in, the schools my kids go to, many friends now have lost their homes.
Here's the latest on those losses.
Shit, dude.
I'm having a hard time.
For Miles Teller, who played a firefighter in Only the Brave, this is all that remains of his Palisades home. The top
Shit. It's complete ashes, dude. The entire neighborhood is complete ashes.
Gun Maverick star and his wife bought the Cape Cod-style villa in 2023 for $7.5
Look how beautiful this villa looks. Damn, $7.5 million, and this is how it looks now. Shit.
million. And this is what's left.
Look at that. They even lost their car. Like there's like I think this one is G-Wagon, Mercedes G-Wagon. And there's also a couple of other cars in here. There's like 1, 2, 3 cars. 3 cars that completely burnt down. Shit. That's a total loss of millions of dollars, man.
And this is what's left of actor John Goodman's home, a driveway which leads to rubble. Nearby,
Oh my
more
God.
heartbreak. These are the charred remains of Oscar winner Anthony Hopkins' home. He bought it in 2021 for around $6 million.
2021 for $6 million. I think in 2025, this house could have been somewhere around $15 million, like because, you know, real estate keeps increasing.
What you want, what you gonna do?
Gone. But this is also about more than just celebrity. It is about everyday people. More than 2,000
I mean,
homes.
so many memories are going to be lost, right? Look at this entire house just basically burned down, and there's like one chimney left. That's it. There's just one chimney left, and there's this woman crying in tears.
I just want to go home. I just want to see all my stuff and sit on my couch.
Heidi Montag, devastated after her and Spencer Pratt's home was destroyed. Also gone, Eugene Levy's Palisades home. Only the chimney remains.
Shit, dude. He was one of my favorite actors in Hollywood, honestly. After I've seen Schitt's Creek Netflix show, and like I was a huge fan of this dude. He's such a good actor.
Ricky
It's saddening
White
to
posted
see.
that she lost her
you
dream
know?
Malibu home where she got married. She invited us inside in 2022 and called it her sanctuary.
This beautiful
Damn.
life I have here.
And Joan
Damn. She got married there. Like all the memories just wiped off. Shit, dude.
loved personal items.
I grabbed my mom's
Devastating video of her beloved neighborhood in flames and the aftermath of her estate, saying, quote, "Grateful for my family and pets getting out last night before it was too late."
Mandy
Man
Moore
is among
lost
the
everything.
thousands thinking, what comes next? Or been evacuated from their homes include Steven Spielberg, Michael
Steven Spielberg's house is gone.
Keaton, Adam Brody, and
Michael Keaton's house is also gone. Damn, dude.
Leighton Meester, Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson, Chris Pratt and Katherine Schwarzenegger.
Tom Hanks, even he lost his house. Chris Pratt lost his house.
Adam Sandler and
Adam
Kate Hudson.
Sandler lost his house in Malibu. Kate Hudson lost her house as well. Shit. That's a lot of celebrities losing millions and millions of dollars. You know, it's not just about the house, like the things that they have inside the house. It's probably going to be worth all millions of dollars, all their cars.
Learning these phrases isn't just about studying English. It's about understanding real emotions that people go through. I hope this video helped you not only learn, but also feel something real. If you felt something or learned something new, please leave a comment and like the video. Let's keep learning together.
バイラとレオンのチャンネルへようこそ。このチャンネルでは動画を通じてネイティブがよく使うフレーズをバイラとレオンの友達のみんなに解説していきます。先生の目標はこのチャンネルを通じて一人でも多く英会話に自信を持ってほしい。そしていいコミュニティを築き上げたいです。今日学んだリアル英語ぜひ使ってみてね。皆さんのコメントがより良い動画作りの助けになります。次に学びたいことを教えてください。アメリカのワーク学校ってどんな感じ？留学するのに英語はどのぐらい必要？コメントで聞いてくれたら動画で取り上げるかもしれません。皆さんのコメントお待ちしてます。